Welcome to the Discord Basic Training Simulation. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to navigate and use Discord effectively. Using a realistic simulation of the Discord interface, you'll learn how to create servers, set up text and voice channels, and manage file uploads, all in an interactive and engaging way. So, let's dive into the simulation and explore Discord together. In this section, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up a new server. This short quiz will help you recall and reinforce what you've learned so far. You'll have the option to review your answers and retry the quiz to improve your score. Next, let's learn how to create and customize a text channel for seamless communication in your server. Now let's try a fill-in-the-blanks activity to test your understanding. Now let's move on to creating a voice channel for real-time conversations and meetings. Now for this next activity, you'll need to select the correct area based on the question. Let's move on to uploading files. You can also view and interact with 360 images, giving you a full view from every angle.